Are you always in a rush because you have to go fill up your tank?
Oh, darn!
Are you not on the cutting edge of technology? In the world we live in, it's essential that we use energy-efficient devices. Some of this could be wind power or solar power, but those do not seem to work.
Then what does work?
I'm here to tell you that superconductors are the way to go.
So what's a superconductor?
In a normal wire, the electrons collide with each other, causing friction and heat lost. But with superconductors, the temperature is lowered below a critical point, so the electrons move in pairs in a perfect circle, not hitting each other, thus causing perfect perpetual motion. This makes it incredibly efficient. People in everyday life are blissfully unaware about the importance of superconductivity.
What can I use it?
Normal cars waste a lot of energy on heat and sound. But with these new super hybrid cars made with superconductor wires, they'll be very efficient. Can you imagine a car running with a gallon of gasoline for almost a month? Yes, it is possible with superconductors.
But what about regular cars?
Today, hybrid cars are revolutionizing the way people drive. But are they really that efficient? And can they really match up to the new superconductivity that can be installed in your cars? Carbon emissions are a big problem in our society nowadays. But by using superconductivity, this will greatly help out people with their lungs, people with asthma problems, and cars would give out a lot less carbon emissions.
So what's the science behind it?
Well, why don't we just ask the experts?
Superconductivity is when the resistance of a material is close to zero, and it often happens at very cold temperatures. And when that happens, there's very little heat lost when the current is flowing, so you're able to keep the current going for a very long time with very little energy loss.
The idea to put together everything in a ship, to have an all-electric ship, using, of course, superconducting devices, is really a very fruitful idea.
But why is your project better than mine?
One employs superconductors in devices and machines because of this possibility of current densities some 10 to 100 times higher than would be possible with conventional non-superconducting materials.
Tapes are made out of the brittle ceramic material in an elaborate high-tech process. In the superconducting state, these tapes are capable of carrying 30 times more current density than copper. This superconductor can be operated with a current of 100 amperes. For comparison, a copper conductor would need this cross-section. For use in electric machines, the tapes are processed into flat racetrack coils, which are assembled into rotor windings of the superconducting synchronous machine.
Eureka! Superconductors can be used in many industrial processes, such as transmitters of wire. It is very energy efficient.
Superconducting machines have clearly lower losses, which is reflected in a significantly higher efficiency. For example, the HTS machine, belonging to the 4 megawatt class, has an efficiency of 98.7%, in comparison with only 97% in the case of a corresponding conventional machine. This means that losses are halved. Every percent of efficiency increase of one single 4 megawatt machine saves the atmosphere about half a ton of CO2 pollution every day.
So what else can you use superconductors for?
Efficiency of the process is the ratio between the power dissipated in a workpiece and the overall power consumption. This equation shows that with a workpiece of high electric resistivity and magnetic permeability, such as steel, the efficiency approaches 100%. On the other hand, when heating a non-magnetic workpiece with a resistivity comparable to the resistivity of copper in the coil windings, the root term approaches unity and the efficiency is only 50%. So a novel and interesting approach to reduce the losses in a coil is to use the superconductors in a coil winding.
Imagine a future that is brighter, greener, all using an alternate energy source that is easily accessible for the public.
Wow, Eugene! Superconductivity is a great idea!